Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to merge two dictionaries. It's going to be a very short video, and this only works for Python version 3.9 or later. So if I want to merge these two dictionaries, I'm going to create a new variable. We're going to say merged dict, and to do this all we do is x the pipe or bitwise OR operator and then y. And so what this is going to do, and what you'll see, is if we print this out, it is going to print out the merged dictionary. And as you can see, we have a key that is repeated in both. So whatever the second variable that we put in this statement is, that's the one that's going to overwrite the first one. So you can see the key A is equal to 3. So whatever is that second one is going to be more important than the first if there are overlap. So that's pretty much all you need to do. Thanks for watching.